Magandang araw, guys! We're going to make Camote Cue. For this recipe, we're going to need kamote or sweet potato chopped into like this size, oil or Z, which we are heating right now, plus plenty of sugar. That is boiling water, you guys, and Coney is just touching it with her bare hands. Ah! Alhamdulillah! Harara, she did! Hey! So now we're going to put the sweet potato inside. Just half of it. Nus. Okay, shukran jazilan. I'm going to heat it a bit to make the outside a bit crunchy. Now I'm going to add sugar. And the sugar is just according to your taste. How sweet you want it to be. But I want mine to be like really sweet, and you could crunch the sugar. The sugar is going to caramelize later, and it's going to coat our sweet potato, and it's going to look brown on the outside, like caramelized sweet potato. You see how it's turning brown now. I just want to keep on stirring so my sugar won't burn. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but that's what we're doing. So, eto na. Nag-caramelize ng sugar ko. Yan ang itsura ng caramelized na asukal. Yung asukal nila dito is malaki, kaya matagal siyang mag-caramelize. These are the ones that are cooked already, and this is my second batch. Then, luto na siya. It's done. Yay. There you go. This is it. It's done. All done. Ay, it's so hot. It's so hot.
But you gave it to me.
Try one. It's so hot. You will say you don't like the way I cook again. Yummy yum. Okay, try. كيف؟ تمام الحمدلله. I told you. معلش ما في. شيلوا واحد.
شيلوا بملعقة.
لا نادفة. واسكان
ناديف
ناديف
كف.
اوكي شيلوا واحد
واحد بس كده.
نعم
ايوه شكرا
اوكي مع السلامة
عليك.
bye guys see you in my next vlog